Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Aubrey Sabila Pratiwi. My student ID number is and my class I from the Information System Study Program, Faculty of Engineering and Informatics, Bina Sarana Informatika, Sleepy Campus. Part 1. I would like to share my opinion on the smoking ban across all Bina Sarana Informatika University UBSI campus, both indoor and outdoors. However, for this ban to be effective, consistent implementation and supervision are necessary. A supportive approach will be more effective in changing long-term habits. Overall, the smoking ban at UBSI is a correct and visionary policy. It is not just a prohibition, but a long-term investment in collective health and the quality of the learning environment. With consistency, supervision, and support for smoking cessation programs, UBSI can become a model for a healthy and disciplined campus. I will present about simple present tense. Learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what the simple present tense is, how to use it in different tense type, and when to apply it in real-life situations like habits, fact, and comment. What is the simple present tense? The simple present tense is used to talk about things that happen regular or are always true. It is perfect for describing routines, fact, or situation that don't change. Just remember, for he, she, or it, we add is or s to the verb. Function of the simple present tense. We use this tense to express daily habits, general truths, and even comments. For example, she goes to school every day. Water boil at 100 degrees Celsius, or open your bowl. Let's start with positive tense. Formula: positive subject plus verb 1 s or s plus object at s or s to verb 1 if the subject is he, she, it, or another third person, singular pronoun, I or you or we or they. To verb 1, he or she or it to verb 1 plus s or s. Here are some examples. I study English. She works at a hospital. They play football on weekends. Important note: the subject he, she, or it require the adding of the ending s or s to the verb. To make a negative tense, we use subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Use does not or doesn't for the subject he, she, and it. The verb does not need to be added with s or s. I or you or we or they. To do not or don't. He or she or it to does not or doesn't. Example: I don't like spicy food. He doesn't enjoy horror movie. We don't take the train. Note that the verb doesn't add s or s if it already used does it the tense. To ask a question, we start with do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Start a tense with do for the subject I, you, we, they, and does for the subject he, she, and it. The verb returns to its base form or without s or s. Do, to, I or you or we or they. Does, to, he or she or it. Some examples are: do you go to the gym? Does she live near here? Do they understand the lesson? Mastering question structure in the simple present tense is important for everyday interaction, including interview and formal conversation. Now let's talk about WH question. We use WH word plus do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object, used by someone to ask for information to which the other person must give a clear answer. WH example: what, where, when, why, who. Example: what do you eat for lunch? Where does he work? Why do they study English? This helps you get specific information. Habits. Habits are things we do regularly. For example, my father goes to work every weekday. Or I study with my friend every Sunday. There are repeated action. General truth. General truth are facts that are always true, like water freezer at 0 degree. These statements are scientifically or universally accepted. We also use the simple present for command or instruction. For example, do not enter this area or cook the noodle for 3 minutes. Here's how we change verbs. Add s to regular verbs like to place. Add as to verb ending in he, xo. Go to goes. Verb ending in ye to change to is. Study to studies. Of s or s. Choose the correct verb form. 1. He blah 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 go to school. 2. She blah 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 watch TV. The answer: 1. He goes to school. 2. She watches TV. Let's try some exercises together. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb forms. For example, positive, they blah 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 play tennis. Negative, she blah 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 like pizza. Interrogative, blah blah blah. Do you read books? The answer, the question. Positive, they plays tennis. Negative, she doesn't like pizza. Interrogative, do you read books? Thank you so much for your attention. I hope this lesson helps you feel more confident using the simple present tense in your daily English. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.